Happy birthday again. Chase, how old are you today?
4.
4, yeah. What do you got there? You got a big balloon Daddy got for you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a cool one. And Chase requested donuts this morning for his birthday, so we got some Dunkin' Donuts. We already ate some, but yeah, we're gonna have a fun day today.
Yeah.
Hey, you're not looking at me. Hey. Whoa. There you go. Yeah. Woo.
It's magic. Open it up.
You really gotta work for this program.
You know what it is? He's looking like he knows what it is.
Can you see his face?
Oh, he likes it, whatever it is.
Need help? What is that?
I keep watching him still taking him.
What is that? What's the next one?
Okay, let's do this present.
He liked it,
Is
dog.
that cool?
I think he knew what it was.
It's a big racetrack for the monster trucks.
See? It has a big monster
And you can use all your
Oh my
trucks.
gosh, no.
That's good, Eddie.
Thank you.
You're very
Now let me get to
welcome.
the next one.
From me and... Wow, you should have saw that.
He's looking at Madison, yeah.
It's Madison to see if
Is it any good or not?
He doesn't know what it is.
He's so gentle.
Well, hold it up so we can see it. Look at this. Look at that.
Yes.
That's cool, right?
Oh, that's gonna
That's
be
a
cool,
space
right?
tent.
Let me see, turn around.
It's a space, a rocket ship tent.
With a projector and a tow.
A projector? What?
Ooh, you're gonna have so much fun in that.
Came with
See,
Oh, a
it's like
porch
big fort.
projector. Oh, that's
Big
cool.
fort for you.
What do you think?
What do you say?
Thank you.
And did you see what
Thank
Uncle
you to
Steve
Mima.
got you?
That's from Mima.
Yeah.
Thank
You
you,
saw what
Mima.
Uncle Steve got you, right?
Thank you.
You're welcome, honey.
Woo! All right. Now, hold on. Smile. Say cheese. Okay. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chase. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Good job, buddy
Go
boy.
over it. Yay.
Can I take one out?
What do you think, Chase? Good? We're having some ice cream cake. We even got some crunchies, but we're making them ourselves with Teddy Grahams because we normally get this from an ice cream place that gives us the crunchies, but we didn't want to go there today. So we just got it from the Acme. So yeah, it's melting already, so we gotta hurry up and eat. But I'm sharing with you, right? Good, Madison? Yeah. Oh, we also have some hot fudge, but it's not hot. Oh, he bumped his head. Buddy boy. It's like magic tracks,
Yeah.
but it comes with like a ramp.
Yeah, and a little bridge.
Yeah, and a couple. I think it comes with 2 cars.
Yeah, look at that's
What's that? PJ Masks! Cool. Is that what he says, that guy?
DJ Boo! DJ Boo! I wonder what. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Another one?
I
Wow.
wonder what's in this big one.
You know what it is? It's a train set. You like it?
Wait, does it come with these people and everything?
Yeah, it comes with all that stuff.
Wow, it comes with all of this.
A tunnel.
It's like the one that's on the
Wow.
what's it called? Sort of.
First time on a scooter. Mommy's nervous. I'm a little nervous. Good job, bud. You got it. Now how do you steer it, Madison? You lean on it? Is that how you steer? You kind of lean to one side or the other to steer it.
Sometimes you can just, sometimes you just, just like without leaning on it.
You like it, Chase? Go slow, okay? Don't trip on it. Whoa! Put your other foot on it. Other foot. No, put your other one on it. There you go. Use that, yeah, push with the other foot. There you go. Steering, he has to figure out the steering. It's like... So we are getting ready for a fireworks show. A personal fireworks show.
We got personal fireworks.
Put on by Greg. There's a lot of fireworks. Kids are playing with a bunch of, what are those things called?
Glow sticks.
Glow sticks. Yeah.
How did you forget the lesson?
Do they all glow? Are yours lit up or no?
No, it's not dark enough yet.
Oh.
It has to be really dark.
Yeah?
Greg decided to trim this tree so they could see. But we were planning on getting rid of this tree anyway because it's just in the way. It does give shade, but I don't know. Yeah, we probably will regret this. I got this when I got the table. The lady gave me this too, so we got that going. Of course, we have our citronella.
Candle.
I'm trying to not get bit by a million bugs tonight.
Don't get bug bites. Don't get bug bites.
Fireworks are starting.
Everybody. Oh yeah.
You guys are funny. Ooh, that's a red and white. That looks cool. Alright guys, so it is the next day now. I'm gonna wrap up Chase's 4th birthday video. Do you want to say bye? Your video's over.
Bye.
Bye. You want to say bye?
Bye.
Happy birthday again, even though it's yesterday now.
Yeah, you mean the next day?
Yeah, it's the next day now. I meant his birthday was yesterday. That's what I meant. Alright, bye guys.